that we'll be able to pull it off. You know, because running 42K, like rather 43K every day in this heat with work commitments, you know, we absolutely never thought about it.
First of all, I want to congratulate each and everyone on every distance, because every distance is very important, and in race or in event, it's not important you running 2 km or 100 km. Every race and every distance is different. So first of all, I want to congratulate each and every one of you, because on every level everybody is suffering and come across to a lot of hazards. So congratulations, and congratulations to Siddharth sir also.
No, I think these guys have said most of it. I'll only say that, see, it's not a one-day journey. I started at least fatigue training 4 years back, right? So this is my 4th edition. Over the years, we started, I think, with 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers, right? We graduated gradually and we've now reached 43. So, you know, it's not built in a day, right? So all of you guys who are doing 10, 7, whatever distance you're doing, it's a matter of time.
No, I took this like that, but seriously we enjoyed. But during the run, हमने सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर किए आपस में, एक दूसरे को देख के इम्प्रूवमेंट किया.
I think overall it was a great week, and I think we were running pretty strong, so absolutely no issues at all.
What community wants to know, that what did you learn from us?
No, so see exactly that everybody shows up. See, one thing about running that I have learned in all these years is show up. Right? If you can show up, you will improve, you will achieve something or the other, right? And I see all these faces every day, right? I've seen you at 3 a.m., you know, on Monday and Tuesday. Right? So, and we were talking, we were saying, she's showing up at 3 a.m., right? So it's not straightforward, and you were not clocking so many miles, but you were making the effort. Maybe you had some commitments in the morning, right? So it was very obvious that you had some commitments, but you decided to show up at 3 a.m., right? So what we learn from each other is this whole thing about showing up, right? That's the first and the foremost thing. And then, you know, everybody obviously is in a different stage of their journey, right? Yeah. Everybody's achieving differently, and I think it's just a matter of time. We started early, we had a first mover's advantage, so we are here. But I think it's, you know, everybody is far more than capable of getting here. It's a matter of time. Just show up.